Ironfish Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Ironfish Wallet app is redefining privacy in the crypto world. Built on a fully encrypted blockchain, it's designed to make every transaction confidential. But does it deliver real protection or just clever marketing? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Ironfish stands out for its privacy-first architecture. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, where transactions are public, Ironfish encrypts every single transaction by default. That means no one, not even blockchain explorers, can see your balance or transaction history. Another huge advantage is user-friendly setup. Despite its focus on advanced privacy tech, the Ironfish Wallet app keeps things simple. It allows anyone to send, receive, and store coins without needing deep technical knowledge. You get full encryption without sacrificing convenience. Ironfish also uses zero-knowledge proofs, a cutting-edge cryptographic method that verifies transactions without exposing any data. This technology puts it in the same privacy league as coins like Scash, but with a smoother, modern user experience. Now for the cons. The biggest challenge for Ironfish is limited ecosystem adoption. Because it's a new blockchain, few exchanges and apps currently support it. That makes it harder to trade or integrate with other platforms. Another issue is regulatory uncertainty. Privacy coins often face scrutiny from governments, and while Ironfish is transparent about compliance, its future in regulated markets could face challenges. In summary, the Ironfish Wallet app offers a powerful glimpse into the future of private digital finance. The surprising truth? It's not built for hype, it's built for people who truly value confidentiality. If privacy and simplicity matter to you, Ironfish is a wallet worth watching.